my channel Iknoor. If you want to see my more videos, travel videos and gameplays and toy reviews and also gadget reviews, then subscribe my channel Iknoor. Let's start this video. 1, 2, 3, go! And today I am unboxing Air Battle Continuous Launch. So this is the front, this is the back, and here are the instructions. Like you can read them. Adjust the position of the aircraft. Push and pull the loading. Pull the trigger and launch the first aircraft. Push and pull the trigger and launch the third aircraft. Click the button to lower the second aircraft. Okay, so means all of them are same almost. Okay, so now this is the front as I already showed you. It develops cognitive ability, touch, imagination and target. Okay, it's of stereo. Okay, and 6+, age is 6+. Okay. Like on the top also it's the same, like promote intellectual development and all that stuff. Okay, and on the right same, and down also same, every side that's almost the same. So oh yeah, and the price is $599. For the best price you have to see the whole video. Okay, so now let's open it. Oh my god, such a tricky tape.
One eternity later.
Wait a second, I got one idea. Ah, yes, got it. Sorry, packaging. Oh my god. Yes, perfect. Oh my god. Oh, it's I think too big. Let me just keep it here. Look at these. These are the like I don't know, jets. Oh my god. One second. Let me keep on this aside. And there you go. It didn't fly. Okay. We got from the box. I have heard of guns having bullets, but never guns having jets. And the jets, they are so lightweighted and like prepare to fly. And the gun's build quality is very good. Very good. And look at this. If you can see the trigger, it's like this, a circle thingy. It's really weird. So now let me tell you how to reload it and how to shoot it. So as you can see, this black thingy, black strip thingy, you can pull it out. Okay, and then grab one of your jets and squeeze it in. When this is in, like the down part is inside this, then you pull the trigger, like pull the whatever, like it's really okay, and then there it goes on my door. So now if you want, you can put all of 3 of them and then just continuously shoot. Boom, boom, boom. Let me give a demo thingy. First one you saw how to do it. Oh my god, it's stuck. 1 sec. Yeah, first one, okay, then second one, okay, and then the third one. Now reload, okay, flies. Look at it. It goes down. Reload, fly. flies. Reload, flies. So this is how you reload it and shoot it. The planes doesn't go very far, but it's a new concept, so it's worth trying. And for the best price, you have to go in the description below. And that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Bye-bye. And subscribe my channel and like this video also. Now really, bye-bye. And don't forget to follow me on